अहिले आएर हेर्दाखेरि होइन alright here we go let's begin.
Ready?
This is actually we're on air. Alright here we go 3 2 1 we're literally on air today.
Great. Caught you off guard.
Definitely
Caught
you
you
did.
off guard.
Thank you very much for coming over and thank you very much for beating me today at the studio.
You know my name? Vijay.
Of course.
That means victory. I don't want to lose.
Yeah, I have to say this to everybody. We've shot a podcast. हामीले podcast बिहान होइन रातिको 12 बजे पनि सुट गरेछ होइन मिडनाइटसम्म सुट गरेछ but this is the first time that we're filming a podcast at 6 in the morning.
This is when the real ideas sprout out.
Early in the morning.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
For me personally, I was not a morning person, but now I love it. Like to see the sunrise in the morning, त्यो जस्तो राम्रो के पनि
You
छैन.
rise with the sun
Yeah.
and you go to sleep with that darkness setting in.
Yeah.
That's why it says early to bed, early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy, and wise.
How many hours do you sleep?
Oh, mine. I think I've been doing this for last 30, 35 years, probably around 5.5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter with the age. You've been doing it for like त्यो हुन्छ नि होइन
That's my pattern.
5 hours.
So the rest, sleep is different from resting. I do rest. Sleep, there are many, many people who don't sleep at all. Are they going to die? No, they will not die. They just keep quiet, and you have to stay away from all these gadgets. You have to stay away from everything. Just keep yourself calm, I do that, especially when I'm flying also. If I'm very tired,
Yeah.
I take this NASA nap.
What is NASA nap?
It's just about 10 to 15 minutes of that. During daytime,
Power nap जस्तो?
पहिला हाम्रो सिनियर सिटिजन्सहरूले गर्नुहुन्थ्यो नि सिएस्टा भनेर पावर nap. 10-15 minutes, that is NASA nap. All your body needs is that little time, 10 to 15 minutes, before you go into slumber sleep. Okay?
Deep sleep.
Deep sleep. But if you use that time, 10 to 15 minutes, you get up after lunch, right? Or after any meal,
Yeah.
then you feel so refreshed. That's what you have to learn to do. And I've learned to do that.
15 minutes.
15. But if you sleep more than that, you cannot. Your whole body system starts shutting down. You don't let that shut down, You keep it energized.
So 15 minutes. I like reading about sleep a lot. I really like reading about sleep a lot. And I'm tracking my sleep and everything at the moment. It's been एक वर्ष जस्तो भयो होला मैले ट्र्याक गरिरहेको. मैले सबमरिनर्सहरूको बारेमा नि सुनेको छु कि जहाँ चाहिँ त्यो सुत्ने ठाउँ त हुँदैन होइन. सो वाट दे टेन्ड टु डु इज एकजना सुतेपछि अनि उसको पालो सकेपछि अर्को सुत्छ होइन.
Yes.
सो स्पेसली यो आर्मी सबमरिन्सहरूमा चाहिँ होइन नेभीमा चाहिँ के हुँदो रहेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ दे टिच यु हाउ टु स्लिप राइट अवे.
Yes. You shut it off.
Yeah, you completely shut it off like within a minute.
Do you know how you do that?
That's
That's why I always say that mind is a very powerful tool. It can make you or break you. So it's all about your control over mind, How do you control your body through your mind?
Yeah. You really have to learn that. And that takes a lot of time and energy and effort. Yoga meditation definitely helps, I'm sure.
I'm sure it does.
I know. Well, do you have time for all that?
No, for me, yoga or meditation, whatever is when I'm in the gym.
That you work out every day?
Practically every day. Since last 4 months, I had stopped,
Yeah.
I was nearly 102, 103 kilos.
Right.
Yeah, after COVID. त्यसपछि आएर अहिले, it took me about 2.5 months to shed nearly 10 kilos, which was really fast and rapid.
Yeah.
And then for the past 1.5 months, it's been like slow,
Yeah.
2 kilos.
Yeah.
You get frustrated, okay? I get frustrated sometimes, but then I realize one thing. It took me so many years to put on so much weight. How can I lose it? You don't cut it and take it out, okay? You don't operate that.
It doesn't happen. Nothing happens overnight. Okay? Overnight. That is something that we all need to understand. A lot of people now, especially with the now generation, the generation that hasn't seen a life without a phone. And my cousins who've born in 2000s, they don't know a life. A life it has in a phone bag.
What is Changa? They don't know. What is Gutsa? They don't have.
Got that.
Lip, all those.
आइडिया छैन, दे हेभ नो आइडिया वाट द्याट
डन्डी
इज।
भ्यू त थाहा पनि छैन अहिले।
डन्डी बिउ त्यो त त्यो त कहिले जिन्दगीमा नि खेल्दैन होला
I think we
उनीहरूले
should
होइन।
organize something, you know.
डन्डी बिउ
Dandi View tournament. I think it should be really good.
रमाइलो हुन्छ नि। सो अहिलेको जेनेरेसनलाई चाहिँ त्यो कन्सटेन्ट डोपोमिन चाहिरहँदो रहेछ कि, कन्सटेन्ट डोपोमिन, एन्ड यु गेट कन्सटेन्ट डोपोमिन फ्रम जस्ट बाई गेटिङ दोज लाइक्स, जस्ट बाई गोइङ आयर एन्ड डुइङ समथिङ हुन्छ नि होइन। अहिलेको जेनेरेसनले चाहिँ दे नेभर अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड हाउ लाइफ वाज ब्याक इन द डे वेन वी कुड जस्ट गो आउट एन्ड प्ले चुङ्गी।
No, but that is one of those areas you, I, all of us start working now, you know. Go back to our organic days.
Yeah.
It's not that our new generation won't listen to us. They don't have anybody telling them.
Yeah.
It's time for you to start telling them
Yeah.
through your podcast.
Yeah, of course.
You have to communicate. You have to disseminate good information. What's happening in this new generation? You go to any other interviews, and I avoid interviews. They like to come out with a content, a very controversial content. If Vijay Lamba says this, it's going to be a troll. It's going to be something like. Gone are those days when you respect it. You know, I still remember all those days. Whenever we went to any television station for any interviews or radio, they would give you 500 rupees, 600 rupees.
Yeah,
sign यस्तो गरेर अनिखेरि ओके गर्थ्यो के
पैसा आउँथ्यो?
पैसा आउँथ्यो नि पहिला। अहिले त अब everybody wants to be famous.
Yeah.
But they don't know the price that they have to pay for being famous.
It takes a year. Well, being famous and being consistent. मलाई चाहिँ के लाग्छ भन्दाखेरि अघि I just want to finish off what I was saying earlier as well. So with the new generation, it is what I was trying to get at was it's so fast now. Things are so fast. The pace fast भइसक्यो के भन्छ नि होइन. So they want to, everybody wants to achieve things like super fast, pat. Couple of months हुन्छ नि, I work at a job in a couple of months, and if I don't see the impact or the change that I'm making, then I want to move on to something else हुन्छ नि होइन. Whereas the previous generation was like, okay, we'll work 50 years in the same company. We'll create a change. We'll take our time. Because to climb that mountain, you can't run. You have to walk slow. That is something that is so
reaching
important.
that summit begins with that first step, you know.
Yeah.
Without that first step, that summit is not possible for you. But the new generation, they think they can hop, which is wrong.
You think it's wrong?
Stop hopping.
Yeah.
Stop hopping. Stay cool. Stay on ground, you know.
Yeah.
Start learning. I always tell people, and then they are very scared of pain. They are very scared of losing. They are very scared of defeats, you see. And I say, look, people never lose in life. No, I've never lost in life. I go through pain, but then I turn that pain into gain. I want people to scratch my back so I can move forward. So defeat is nothing. Defeat is only in the mind. You fall, you come out of it. Who does not fall? I'm sure, Sanjay, you have done.
Of course.
You've tried to get me here for months.
Yeah.
Trust me. You only got me here because you've been so perseverant. And are you ready to be perseverant? You know, do you want to persevere? कोसिस छ नि, कोसिसै नगर्ने अहिले त एकदम सजिलो छ। आज के गर्ने चाहिँ भाइरल हुने बित्तिकै यु बिकम सच अ स्टार, फेरि टुमरो इज गोइङ टु गो डाउन टु द रियालिटी अफ द अहिलेको कन्डिसन भनेको चाहिँ एभ्रिथिङ इज फास्ट बिकज दे आर बोर्न इन अ फास्ट एज। अब कुरा गर्ने पडकास्ट, वाट इज पडकास्ट? पिपल नेभर न्यू द्याट। नाउ लुक, एभ्रिबडी इज एन्जोइङ योर सो। अब हामी रेडियो सुन्छौँ, कहाँ त्यो एडहरू आइरहन्छ यताउता ग्याङहरू। वाट इज द्याट? यु आर टकिङ अन रियालिटी ग्राउन्ड, भेरी क्याजुअल टक, देयर इज नो पेपर। यहाँ क्वेसन बनाएर क्याप्टन साहब यो भनेको के हो, हु इन्सपायर्ड यु एन्ड वाट द हेल इज द्याट? डोन्ट, यु नो। सो दिस इज द रियालिटी। अब नयाँ जेनेरेसनलाई यु हेभ टु ब्रिङ देम ब्याक, कनेक्ट, रिकनेक्ट देम with our society, our culture, our rituals, and then परिमार्जित भन्छ नि नेपालीमा। You keep developing that, okay? You keep increasing that path to a different horizon.
Of course, no shadow of a doubt.
It's called fusion. And people are scared for fusion. And I say, look, especially, अब कस्तो प्रब्लम भइदियो भने, Sanjay, I think you can do that. I've been doing that, and I'm looking for some people like you all to start doing that. You have to play the right tune for the elder generation and the right tune for the younger generation. You be the master in between to fuse them together and bring them in one trade. Okay? And then just give them, this is what they are. Mero daughter, Ashnali, she was here in British school and we were just talking about generation. She said, Baba, your generation, my generation is nothing. The question is, of course, it used to be like 20 years for one generation. Now it's 10 years. Every 10 years, new generation, right?
Yeah, of course.
I said, every new generation is 200 times faster than the previous
generation, no doubt. Yeah.
You agree to that?
Yeah, of course.
मैले भने नि त्यो मोबाइल फोनको कुरा गर्ने अहिले अस्ति पनि पब्जीको कुरा आयो
No.
ब्यान गर्नुपर्छ वाउ एभ्रीबडी इज स्क्रिमिङ टिकटक ब्यान गर्नुपर्छ इभन आई डोन्ट लाइक सो मेनी थिङ्स तर ब्यान गर्ने मात्रै सबै सोल्युसन होइन क्या यु हेभ टु नो वाट इज बिहाइन्ड वाइ दे आर डुइङ लुक पब्जी गेम प्लेयर्स वाट दे आर डुइङ दे आर डोनेटिङ युनिसेफलाई पनि त्यत्रो पैसा डोनेट गर्छ दे हेभ बिकम वर्ल्ड फेमस दे आर डुइङ ई गेम सो बिग ल्याउनु पऱ्यो नि यहाँ डु इट प्रपरली पुट इट अन्डर कन्ट्रोलमा राख्नु पऱ्यो कि कन्ट्रोलै नगर्ने अनि खुला छोडिदिने अब नयाँ जेनेरेसनले यस्तो गर्यो यो भएन यो जेनेरेसन यस्तो यस्तो न नयाँ जेनेरेसनको अहिले एनर्जीलाई लिएर नि यु टर्न इन्टु सिनर्जी नो एन्ड देन यु वाक टुगेदर along with them and be there, give them the back. काँध चाहिँ दिनेन काँधमा चढ्यो भने चाहिँ मात्तिन्छ क्या बुझिदिने क्या बुझिदिएर बोक्ने हो हाम्रो एक्सपिरियन्सले तर नयाँ जेनेरेसनको नलेज टेक्नोलोजीलाई अपनाएर अगाडि जाने त देश पनि भन्छ यु लुक आज सञ्जय आइ एम सिटिङ विथ यु when did I ever think that I would sit in a studio or podcast? Like that? Give me a break. How many cameras? There's so many. People watch and comment.
Yeah.
You bananu kati garcha. The first thing is, that was funny. Okay? I was just sitting and saying, oh my God, there's all this first thing.
First time
for everything. I knew exactly what you're hitting at. That man.
I like. Okay, let me clarify this. I like being punctual. I know. Do you say do you actually say I want to stay, keep with my life, keep with me for the rest of my life? You know? I like being punctual because I do. I like being there exactly at around 5:45 so that I give myself to 10-15 minutes to buffer. When meetings I try to be there like 5-10 minutes before. But go to Kurdin lobby, man.
Yes.
Today, for a change, I was like, well, Captain Nama, I know he's going to be on time. I know he's going to be on time. I generally wake up around 6. I woke up at 5:30 and I was like, he's going to be on time. So everybody was here by 5:45. I was like, all right, I'm going to be there by 6:05. I calculate. That's why I told you 7 minutes. So I was here in 7 minutes.
I was here and
you were done here at 6. And I was like, nah, this is how he does it. This is how he does it.
Management.
You have to be very good at okay. I definitely want to talk about flying because it's something that's definitely fascinating to young people, and because of you, I want to again. There are thousands of things that you've done that has been great for young people. One of the major thing is flying. You know, it's in every kid either wants to be a doctor or a pilot. Pilot more, and I wanted to be a pilot too. Every kid wants to be a pilot.
Yeah.
You know? You've shown them that it is possible.
It is. It is. Nothing is impossible.
Numbers. How good do you have to be in numbers?
Now, you just be a normal person. You know,
Yeah.
you don't have to be a genius. You know, there's a thin line between a genius and a madness. You know? Mad people and genius people. There's one thin line. There's one thread only.
Yeah.
If that breaks, then it turns into mad people. Aircrafts are meant and made for normal people, just like you and me. Of course, the aptitude level has to be different because you have to be technical. In flying, this is one job I am so proud to say I'm an airline pilot.
Yeah.
I am proud to say I'm a wingman. I am proud to say that I'm a flyer. You see? Because you need skills, you need knowledge, and you need guts.
Yeah.
It doesn't work otherwise. Especially flying in Nepal, you need all three together. I don't know if you have ever watched those most extreme airports of the world.
Of course.
History Channel. I was the one who demonstrated all this. Out of so many pilots around the world, I was shortlisted and I came here. Thanks to Kunda Dixit Dai, I got an opportunity to actually give them the real demonstration of how it was to fly in Nepal.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Most extreme airports of the world. And there I said, look, I like my line at the last ending line. And I said, look, there's weather, the terrain, wind factors, the gradients, everything. You put them all together in a cup, mix it, make a potion, drink them, and come and fly. And that's crazy. That's what I've said. Okay. Flying is all about that. It's interesting. You don't have to do much. But flying itself is a subject. I've been advocating all this time. Why aren't they giving us equivalent? You do +2, maths and physics. But after that, beyond this is one line, you keep refreshing yourself. You keep doing examination. You keep changing. It's like from 320, Airbus 320 and Airbus 330. Everybody thinks it's same. Airbus 330,
I'm
320.
sure it's not.
So from transitioning from 320 to 330, it's totally new game. You have to do from scratch. From Boeing to jet to Airbus, it's totally different. From turbo to it's never-ending studies, and you have to keep yourself fit.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of things, and it's very possible nowadays. And I want to say something right through your podcast. Okay, Sokin said it's very possible, but parents, stop spoiling your kids now.
What do you mean by that?
Very much. अब यहाँ धनीहरू पनि हुनुहुन्छ होला, सबै हुनुहुन्छ के रिच स्पोइल किडलाई पाइलट बनाएर स्पोइल बनाउनु भन्दा त्यो रिच ड्याडहरूले ममले पनि के भन्छ ओके सन डटर आई एम गोइङ टु स्पोन्सर माइन्ड यु sponsor you, invest in you. Okay? I will invest in you. Through how? नहुनेहरूलाई पनि कसरी नै banks are giving soft loans. Okay, let's say you want to go and then your father or mother, they want to help you out. Mortgage your property, take that loan, 75, 80 lakhs rupees lakhs jane. Otherwise, you do multiple pilot license, MPL, you do your jet rating also, and you come back and join an airline. There's ample opportunities. That aunu janu bhanda agadi tripakshiya, yeah, contract banaune. Dad and mom does it with the bank for the loan, okay, and the son or the daughter who is going does a contract with the parents. I said, look, after I come back, I go join after I get my job. 75% of that money that I earn will be reimbursed to pay the EMI or pay back the loan. I'll just use 25%. When I'm done with that, it's my choice. So this way they will have a pride of being, pilot. I have earned my license. नेपाल किन अगाडि बढ्छ? बढ्दै बढ्दैन. 20 वर्ष, 22 वर्ष, 25 वर्ष, 30 वर्ष, 40 वर्षको छोराछोरी पनि घरमै पाल्नुपर्छ आमाबाउले.
Did you move out? What age did you move out? के थियो? हजुरको when you grew up, how was it?
When I went to States, it was like moving out. I stayed there on my own. When I came here, by 27, 28, I moved out completely. And that's how life went on. And then I've always been, of course, I get supported for my work. Parents have been supply gareko, nagareko haina. Tara you stand on your feet. मैले नेपाल एयरलाइनको जागिर खान्थेँ 4,000 रुपैयाँ मात्र थिएँ. तर initially when I joined, I used to get a stipend for 1,025. कस्तो खालको होला है समय. म 7औं तहमा छिरेकोले 1,025. क्याबिन क्रूहरू 4th or 5th ग्रेडले 1,075. अनि हाम्रो ड्राइभर साहबहरू 3rd ग्रेड हो कले 3rd हो कि 4th 3rd हैन ग्रेडले 2500 पाउँदै के यस्तो के सिस्टम.
This is a stipend.
Stipend पाउँथे हामीले. So that is how I began, and everything started moving on. So you keep struggling, there's a pride in being yourself when you even earn 1,000 rupees.
So how does, I was talking about this in the podcast, my first time मैले पैसा कमाउँदाखेरि हैन salary आउँदाखेरि I remember what I did with that के हैन I made sure that मैले divide गरेको थिएँ कि यति म खर्च गर्छु यति म दिन्छु यति यसरी गर्छु भनेर हैन. Do you remember the first time you made money?
Of course I do.
What did you do with that?
I gave it to my mom, you know. Not the salary. यो जागिरको स्यालेरीको पैसा भनेको होइन फेरि. My father and mother, we used to have a packing company, होइन.
Packing company?
Packing and forwarding company. So त्यहाँ चाहिँ एकदम त्यो के अरे बक्साहरू बनाउनु पर्ने होइन, प्लाइवुडको बक्सेसहरू भयो, क्रेट्सहरू. सो घरैमा थियो. बागदरबारमा हामी बस्थ्यौँ. बागदरबारमा एकदम भेरी हार्ड वर्किङ पेरेन्ट्स, होइन. अनि यसो हेरेपछि त्यहाँ सधैँ त्यो अब चोक्कड भन्छ चोक्कड, त्यो सबै काठको टुक्रा टाक्रीहरू, अल दिस अनि sawdust. And I used to keep watching it like that. And people used to come and just take it and go. And I asked mom, I said, what are they taking that for? Oh, they use this for bhusko chula. And those, they use it for, oh yeah? Oh yeah? Wait, what I'm going to do? I was very small, you know. And next day, I was just waiting and I said, no, you're not taking it. No, you're not taking it. Wait, come tomorrow. So I asked mom to get me just drums. तेलको पहिला ठुल्ठुलो ढुवाङ हुन्थ्यो कि टिन. टिन
remember? Oh, yeah, I remember.
अहिलेको बच्चालाई के त अहिले त प्लास्टिकमा आउँछ त्यो टिनको कसै रियुजेबल आइटम्स के. अनि यस्तो चाहिँ काशीदाई भन्थ्यो के हाम्रो कार्पेन्टर. के दाइ आउनु के यो उठाउनु राखौँ कहाँ ले यहाँ राख सबै आई कलेक्टेड अल द्याट sawdust एन्ड चोकहरू दिएर. अनि भोलिपल्ट आयो हाल्नुहोस् कति ए होइन कहाँ पैसा तिर्नुपर्छ कहाँ त्यो 25 पैसा भुसको चोकरहरू 50 पैसा एक ढङ्गको. People bought. They need it. So I kept raising it. 1 रुपियाँ 50 गरेर I gave it to mom. And I remember, you know, like there was substantial amount of money. 400 कि 500 रुपियाँ कति भएको थियो. घडी लाउनु मलाई थिएँ सिटिजन वाच के. त्यतिखेरको 500 भने जोक हो. जब कि 25 पैसाको खाजा बिस्कुट आउँथ्यो. एन्ड मम युज टु गिभ मी स्कुल जाने बेलामा सन्डे मन्डे ट्युसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे 5 दिनको खाजा हुन्छ नि. 50 पैसा दिनुहुन्थ्यो. 50 पैसा दिनुहुन्थ्यो दिनमा. 50 पैसा दिएकोमा चाहिँ 25 पैसाको चाहिँ खाजा बिस्कुट र एक क्यान पानी खान्थेँ. 25 पैसा बचाउँथेँ. अनिखेरि शुक्रबारको दिन हाफ डे हुन्थ्यो नि 12 बजी सक्थ्यो नि. चट्ट घरमा आएपछि अनि बाउले मलाई तुरन्तै खाने बित्तिकै महाङ्काल बुक स्टोर छ नि होइन महाङ्काल थानमा. There's a bookstore. Oh, they go there. That's one of the oldest and my favorite के. म त्यहाँ जान्थेँ है. And I was so fond of reading comicsहरू. अनि त्यो त्यहाँ गएपछि उनीहरूले चिन्थ्यो. My father is a voracious reader then. He used to be one. And म त्यहाँ गएपछि कमिक पढ्थेँ कि क्लासिक कमिक पढ्थेँ होइन. अनिखेरि त्यो चित्रकथा एन्ड अल दिस कमिक्स आई टु रिड. त्यो रामायणहरूदेखि सबै मैले त्यहीँ पढेको के. अनि शुक्रबार 1 बजी मलाई त्यहाँ पुऱ्याइदिनुहुन्थ्यो. 3 बजीतिर 3-4 बजी घर फर्किन्थेँ है. त्यहीँ त नजिकै त हो नि. महाकालदेखि बागडोग्रा सुन्धारा त त्यहीँ थियो. फर्किन्थेँ. तर फर्किने बेलामा त्यो 5 सुगा छ नि
बाँकी छ पैसा. 5
सुगा टक्क दिएछ नयाँ कमिक लिन्थेँ क्या मैले.
के किन्न पाउँथ्यो कि लाइब्रेरीबाट लिएर
होइन किन्ने 1 रुपियाँ 25 पैसा कमिक लिएर आउँथेँ यसै. अनि त्यो कमिक कति दिन लगाएर पढ्थेँ. तर त्यो 3 घन्टा त्यहाँ बस्दाखेरि अर्को 2-3टा कमिक पढेको हुन्थेँ कि मैले.
म्यान यो त कति पुरानो कथा भयो नि त यो त. यो कमिकमा मलाई याद हो भने नागराजहरू याद छ मलाई होइन. त्यो के थियो यार त्यतिखेर फ्यान्टम थियो क्या अरे. अनि त्यसपछि ठ्याक्क म इभल्भ भएर अनि त्यसपछि
आर्चिजहरू चाहिँ ठिक ठिक लाग्थ्यो. बट आई युज्ड टु लभ अल दिस बुद्धको कथा द्रोणाचार्यको कथा भन्छ रामायणको कथा अनि द्रौपदको कथा स्टिल रिमेम्बर
के थियो द्रौपद.
त्यो द्रौपद राजालाई र द्रोणाचार्य देव childhood friends. They grew up. You're the Brahman, you're the Kshatri. And they even went to the same school where of art of war, and they became such good pals. And said, look, I will be there. Button they go. Draupad Rajale. And Dronacharya, he goes out and Brahman, he gets married and he's in a dire state. So I thought, don't worry, right? Puri, Pirnaman, मेरो साथी राजा हो. द्रौपदको जाने गएर
Drona versus Drupada.
Yes, see, that is where, okay? Then your dialogue त्यो बोलेको पनि मलाई आउँछ, म भन्नु सक्छु ल एकछिन त्यहाँ गएर this Dronacharya goes there.
Yeah.
गएर so can you help me भन्दाखेरि अब राजा त राजा पल्टिहाल्ने नि हाम्रो अहिलेको नेता सरहरू जस्तो के हैन उहाँहरू नचिने के अरे पोस्टमा नपुगिन्छ विजयजी तपाईँसँग म मिलेर गर्नुपर्छ है सञ्जय हामी मिलेर यहाँ सञ्चारको कुरा गर्नुपर्छ भन्छ जब मन्त्री हुनुहुन्छ नि उहाँहरूले सिकाउनुहुन्छ कि हामीलाई हाम्रो आफ्नो टर्फ र उहाँहरूले हामीलाई टाइम दिनुहुन्न नि यस्तै के कथा यो अनि द्रोणाचार्य गएर चाहिँ हेल्प माग्दाखेरि के छ तँलाई खानु सानु बस्नु चाहियो जा भन्दाखेरि he feels very insulted. द्रौपद इस अपमान का बदला लूंगा और दिखा दूंगा कि मित्रता कैसे होता है त्यो डायलग बोले चाहिँ त्यो माग्यो होइन त्यहाँ उसले मागेपछि उता जान्छ गएपछि उसले दिन्न किङ्स फ्रेन्ड भन्छ होइन
how easily Brahmin can be a king's friend.
He said, and then he goes there. Look, I'm telling you. Then he feels so insulted. Okay, obviously. अनि त्यो इन्सल्ट गरेपछि अनि देखादुङ्गा भने त्यसपछि दे हेभ अ वार यो महाभारतको हुन्छ नि त्यो 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 लडाइँ सुरु हुन्छ होइन सुरु भइसकेपछि द्रौपद त्यो राज उनी द्रोणाचार्यले जित्छ के
लास्टमा गएर
लिएर तर त्यतिखेर त्यो अघि यस्तो गरेछ नि त्यतिखेर आएर त जस्तो म होइन ल आधी तँलाई दिन्छु आधी म राख्छु देखिस् मित्रता यस्तो हुन्छ भने देखाएको छ क्या त्यहाँ और मैले बच्चा बेलामा पढेको कुरा आई रिमेम्बर एन्ड दिज कमिक्स आर सो इम्पोर्टेन्ट खै त्यो कमिक अहिले
अब कार्टुन्स छ नि
कार्टुन
के पिग रे पेपा पिग के छ पेपा डु यु नो पेपा पिग
No, there's a difference. Okay, there's a difference in watching on audio visuals like this and actually reading. Reading is physical.
It's imagination. You can imagine it.
Yeah, when you read through the comic, there's angle. All those comic readers are very, very good directors. Trust me. Comic जसले बनाएको छ नि, you have different angles. Look, the shots. अहिले बनाउने त्यो हैन त story writing. स्क्रिप्टिङ गर्दाखेरि स्टोरी राइटिङ गर्छ नि
स्टोरी बोर्ड बनाउनु
पर्यो नि द्याट इज कमिक खै त त्यो त गइसक्यो त अहिलेको डाइरेक्टर साहबहरू त मुखले मात्रै ढाक दिनुहुन्छ अनि सेटमा गएपछि यो भन्छ खै वेज अ वर्क वी कम्प्लेन सो द न्यू जेनेरेसन विल हेभ टु स्टार्ट अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ थिङ हाम्रो एल्डर जेनेरेसनको पनि देयर इज सो मेनी गुड थिङ्स वी सुड एक्चुली take it.
I want to touch bases on this and this move on to the next thing. You would have been would you think pilot na bhayideko bhaye haina would you be an entrepreneur because bata dekhina you were an entrepreneur?
Yes.
Earlier the story the tin can go boost bechne story was an entrepreneurship story.
It was.
What would you have been done to ke garnu hunthyo hola? What would you
I think I would be trading a lot.
Yeah?
I would be trading a lot. But more than that, I think my inclination was always towards medical. Medicine. Okay? I used to be a very sickly child.
Yeah, I know. I read this that your brother used to take care of you. Sujay,
we were around this area only. You know, Santa One Hospital. My elder brother used to bring me all the way from Balwatar. Cycle ma rakhera. Atlas cycle ma.
Atlas cycle ma.
त्यो पनि अगाडिको काठी हुन्छ नि रडमा मलाई गाह्रो हुन्छ भने सिरानीलाई त्यसमा बाँधेर चाहिँ कुसन बनाएर ल्याउनुहुन्थ्यो
सुजय हैन
नो
Raj
okay. Used to bring
wait how many brothers are there
we had 3 of us and 1 sister
Raj Vijay Sujay
and you have Punam we're all athletes okay so यहाँ Santa One Hospital लिएर आएर whooping cough थियो मलाई त्यतिखेर whooping cough टङ मात्रै गर्ने कफ ननिक्लिने सो पो गाई टु ब्रिङ कहाँ काम गरेर आए पनि हाम्रो झन्डै एज डिफरेन्स निकै ठुलो छ क्या सो युज टु ब्रिङ मी देयर त्यहाँबाट साइकल बनाउनु जोक होइन नि अनि यहाँ ल्याउँथेँ राखेपछि डक्टरले के मेडिसिन खानु दिन्थ्यो अनिखेरि मलाई ठ्याक्क त्यो नर्सिङले त्यो राक्षसलाई मार्छ नि यस्तो गरेर जस्तै त्यसरी चाहिँ मलाई चाहिँ घोप्टाउँथेँ कि यहाँ निमा राखेर अनि पछाडिबाट ढाडमा डङ 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 हानेपछि मैले आई ह्याड कफ त्यो हुपिङ कफको के द्याट इज द वे he used to do that every day. I was asthmatic, so they have played a big role.
Yeah, and you've gone through all of that as well because that has made you a stronger person.
Very, very.
And especially when you're young as well, young huncha and you go through a lot of things like that medically, huncha ni, and then you come out to be a stronger person.
Look, I'm nearing 58. I'm fit.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it. Last year was a huge setback for some time. Nearly collapsed. 17 days on CCU, Constant Care Unit, Star Hospital. Thank you all at Star. I survived the first wave of COVID.
Of course.
My fever was like 104, 105. Ooh, it was terrible.
All right, let's get into this. How was it flying the airplane and going and getting the kids out? As well as, how was it flying during COVID times in the beginning phases? How was it? How was the experience? Like, थाहा थिएन नि त हामीलाई त के छ भनेर हैन कोभिड भने के हो
We have always done the unknown, you know. I have always explored the unknown. So for me, it's not a big thing. I was always there. And regarding the first evac from China, there's a little misunderstanding that was created, you know. Nepal Airline co-chief pilot, there was a Pakistani in 330. I was in Japan, and he sent an email to all commanders. There were very few of us, you know. There were some foreigners also, and says, we need to do this evac from China. You know, immediately I sent. I still have a email with me, which I'll share with you later on. I'll take a snapshot and send it to you, you know. Because I want to clarify this through podcast also, okay? People are still in a doldrum. They have no idea what actually happened. And especially I said, look, put me in. I'll do it. I was the first one to volunteer to do that. All right? Then I came back from Japan, Osaka. I was here. And I had flight. They said, okay, come. Then there was a meeting going on. I have to be very clear on this, okay? And we were all called in. I had Delhi flight. And they said, can you just move 1 hour? So postpone that for 1 hour. You have to be here because we need to do PPE demonstration and workshop. There's a way how you wear your PPE, the way you take your gloves. There's a system, there's a SOP, standard operating procedures. Okay, huncha bhane I just went Arema. We were all of us there. All those doctors and everybody was right there. Especially, of course, they were happy to see me. Obviously, people know me for what I've been doing. I've been volunteering for everything. And they said, oh, it's such a pride to be flying with Enan. Then there came the introductory part. Ek apasलाई चिनाउने चिनारी कार्यक्रम. Everybody started, I'm so and so, thank you so much, Papa. It's proud to be part of this mission going on. No. All right. And then it's my turn. I said, thank you, namaste, I'm Captain Vijay Lava. I've been flying for the last 34 years. It's an honor to be part of this team. I'm a senior captain here. Okay. Done. Everybody clapped. Wow. Good sense, yeah? Then this gentleman, the chief pilot, so I'm Captain so-and-so, blah, 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 blah. And I'm proud to be commanding this mission. You understand what I'm saying? An expat coming here who's not even worked for 2 years in front of a pilot who's been here for more than 3 decades, who's given his entire life for the nation, who's sacrificed every bit of penny. Sometimes I didn't even have 100 rupees in my pocket. It's so low. And I always, you know what Nepal Airlines means for me. You talk to me about Nepal Airlines bad way, I'll fight with you. Everybody, I've been doing that. I've been advocating. I'm like, for me, that is everything, you know? So this gentleman says, I'm commanding this flight. You only need one commander to fly. Okay, you don't need 2 commanders. And nobody in the meeting hall said anything. There were directors, there were deputy managing directors, everybody sitting there, and they all clapped. Then I felt really, I felt that, म नेपाली, मैले नेपालीलाई ल्याउने कि विदेशीले ल्याउने. If I'm not qualified, then why didn't they call me? I'm a full-fledged commander. I'm authorized to fly anywhere in the world. I'm qualified to fly. How come I cannot do it? Office-ले होइन विजयले भन्नुपर्छ कि पर्दैन दिएन. Then I said, okay, there's something. It's not only pride. And I said, there's a co-pilot at that. I did not utter a word. My focus was to make sure that that mission is done and completed. ल्याउनु पर्यो नि त चाइनाबाट हाम्रो विद्यार्थीहरू अड्केकोलाई हैन. They were scared. I watched their videos also. त्यसपछि भएन. Then again something happened. The same person who said I'm commanding, he didn't go. Then the officers called me. I said no, I have something else. So I was flying and I was still ready to command, but still there was nothing. Then they went. The day they took off for that flight, I landed from Doha. Okay? And my time factors also wouldn't allow me to continue that flight. So suddenly, in the evening, I became a massive victim of social media. Because there's some smart guy, I will not name him and make him big, okay? From one of those channels, he would say, के लेख्नुहुन्छ यार तपाईँ जय चन्द्र सूर्य भनेर छोडिदिनुहोस् भनेर मैले नगए जानी जानी गएन भनेर के हाल्दै थियो. अर्को एकजना युकेमा बस्ने एकजना लेडीले त्यसलाई फेरि हालिदिएपछि then it became fire. Everybody started blaming me for not going, whereas I was the one who said I want to go there and retrieve them. You see, this is how our media has become at the moment, without knowing the fact. They could have called me. त्यसपछि त आएर त I watch in different television. अरे बाबा त्यतिखेरको डेपुटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर कारबाही गरिन्छ सेलिब्रिटी पाइलट. Who is a celebrity pilot? I'm not a celebrity. I'm just a normal pilot. You all are giving me that tag. I never said I'm a celebrity. I'm just a pilot. They are giving me that tag. हैन. पर्यटन मन्त्रीले कारबाही गर्नुहुन्छ. के कारबाही गर्नुहुन्छ? I said, what? Where have I gone wrong? I have all the records with me. Then I called this media को मान्छेको पनि and I said, तपाईको यो केटालाई सम्झाउनुस् है. मान्छेलाई डिफेम गर्नु पाइँदैन यसरी. मैले गर्ने मान्छे म त्यस्तो काथर म डराउने भएको भए मैले गर्ने नगरे भएको भए हैन. म त्यहाँ त्यो दिन जाँदा पनि जान्दिन्थे भलन्टियर पनि गर्दिन्थे. आज म जहाज पनि उडाउन दिन्थे होला. But I have always done that. So after that also I kept on doing so many flights. Look, I did hat-trick, 3 Australia flights, Sudan flight, Saudi flight, every flight I've done. And from there only I contracted COVID. I nearly died. And that was the time people started like, oh, Vijay Dai, that is one thing, he's done a big thing. No, I said, no, I have not done anything big. I've just done what I, as a Nepali, should be doing for another Nepali. मेरो दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनी हो नि त. You are my brother.
Of course.
We are Nepalese. But more than that, you are my brother. Not only because you are a human being. Every human being is linked to another human being. यहाँ त इन्सल्ट गर्नुलाई मात्रै गाली गर्नुलाई मात्रै काम हुने के. अनि आई सेड देयर वाज वान के. अनि अन्तर्वार्ता आएको थियो. एयरपोर्ट जाँदै थिएँ. अस्ट्रेलिया फ्लाइट हुन्थ्यो. ट्याक एकजनाले आएर तपाईँ त डराउनुहुन्छ अरे नि त. अनि तपाईँले मैले के जे पाएँ त्यही बोलेँ तपाईँलाई. I was very rude because I didn't like the kind of question they asked me. And then I asked him, म त विमान चालक भएर पनि समाज सेवा पनि गरेर हिँडेको छु. CSR भ्याल्यु पनि मलाई थाहा छ. सबै गरिरहेको छु. एउटा सबैलाई काम गरेको छु. तपाईँले के गर्नुभएको छ अन्तर्वार्ता लिने काम बाहेक भनेर के भनेको थियो. फेरि द्याट बिकम फायर. So it happens.
Anything you touch turns into fireball at one point after
yeah, one after the other, because it all started from the 6 minute judge उडाउन नपाएको काण्डबाट सुरु हो के.
The first time उडेको चाहिँ कता डोल्पो रहेछ हैन. The first flight you did was डोल्पो.
Dolpo was my first flight as an SN crew के हैन. त त्यतिखेर बस्नु मिल्थ्यो.
भन्नाले सबैजना बुझाउँथे.
पहिला SN सुपर न्युमेरी भनेको अब पछाडी यसो बस्ने हो.
त्यो के जम्प सिटमा?
जम्प सिट त हुँदैन त्यो ट्विनटरमा. पछाडि बसेर अगाडि अब्जर्भ मात्रै गर्ने. तर हाम्रो इन्स्ट्रक्टर जन हामीले पनि त्यस्तै गर्यौँ. त्यतिखेर त्यस्तो हार्ड एन्ड फास्ट रुल थिएन कि एसएन क्रू राइटमा बस्नु पाउँदैन है भनेर क्या. अनिखेरि त्यतिखेर मलाई क्याप्टन साहबले तिमी राइटमा बस को पाइलट पछाडि उसले हि विल असिस्ट मी अल्सो इफ निडेड कति राम्रो होइन लुक एट द गट्स लिएर जानुभयो क्या क्याप्टन भिपी सिंह हो क्या अरे
डोल्पोमा के थियो त्यो म त अस्ति जुफालमा ल्यान्ड गरेँ मैले
त्यही जुफाल त हो नि।
जुफालै
जुफालै
थियो
जुफालै हो नि अनि लिएर जानुभयो चट्ट लाएर
त्यो लास्टको टर्न त एकदम डर लाग्दो छ सातै जान्छ
पनि
त्यही भन्दैछु त म
त्यो हम्पको त्यो लिएर गएँ विजय तिमीले रनवे देख्यौ हेर उठ्यो भने क्या हामी जस्तो अमेरिकाबाट आएर उडिरहेको खालि त्यो पेभ रनवेहरू मात्रै देखेको नेपालको जुन पेभ रनवे
त्यतिखेर पेभ थिएन होला
जुफालको थिएन नि ऊ त्यहाँ भन्छ कहाँ हुन्छ हेतेरको हेर न भन्छ लाइक फ्ल्याप देऊ फ्ल्याप 10 फ्ल्याप 20 भने क्या फुल फ्ल्याप भनेर राखिदियो है त्यति आउँछ नि अनि फुल फाइन भनेर सुई राखिदियो कि है हेर आयो रनवे देखेन दाइ आई कान्ट ओके ओके जस्ट सट अप जस्ट वाच हाल्दा सुई ड्याम गऱ्यो ल्यान्ड गऱ्यो ओ माई गड माथिबाट त यु नो वाट इज डाँडा यस्तो काटेकोमा यस्तो राखेको छ अनि त्यसो हम्प यो यहाँ रनवे छ इट्स कमिङ लाइक दिस अनि गोज लाइक दिस
I just landed in Zufalo अस्ति
अहिले त होइन अनि आइस वाउ मेरो यो देउता क्याप्टन साहबहरू भगवान when will I ever do that? When will I ever gain those skills? When I was very serious, okay, I started working out. So 25 years I did domestic along with international. Simultaneously, I was doing both hands.
So you were going to यही त हो नि जुफाल पहिला त्यस्तो थियो यो कता जुम इन्टु दिस यो जुफाल हो यो यस्तो थियो पहिला
यस्तो थियो
यो र त्यो मलाई अनपेभ्डमा कसरी ल्यान्ड गर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ अहिले आएर त
That was the best. And I have, Sanjay, you know, I think I'm the only one who has got this.
What is that?
अहिले भ्लगिङ भन्छ नि होइन आई युज टु भ्लग त्यतिखेर पनि मसँग M1000 सोनी क्यामेरा थियो
द बिग वान
त्यो लिएर मैले हरेक एयरफिल्डको टेक अफ ल्यान्डिङहरू खिचाएको छु
छ त्यो कन्टेन्ट
मसँग छ VHSमा तर आई डोन्ट नो वेयर टु गो एन्ड कन्भर्ट इट
त्यो गर्न मिल्छ
डिजिटलमा गरेर आई विल टक टु सिभिल एभिएसन अथोरिटी अल्सो आई विल टक टु दिस इज समथिङ द्याट सुड बी इन आर्काइभ I've saved it. मसँग एउटा पुरा VHS को टेप यस्तै सम्हालेर राखेको छु that I'm going to come out.
जोमसोम होइन पहिलाको
सबै there was none. खालि नेपालमा विराटनगर, नेपालगञ्ज, भैरवा मात्रै पेभ्ड. पोखरा पनि पेभ थिएन.
पहिला
थिएन.
ए हो र?
थिएन.
जोमसोम त कुरै भएन मैले अस्ति महजोडी आउँदाखेरि मैले यसको बारेमा कुरा गरेको थिएँ होइन उहाँहरूले खिच्दाखेरि
पनि अहिले त piece of cake. I'm sorry to say that, guys. If you guys are watching, Domestic Flyers, it's a piece of cake, and you guys are blessed. Thank you, Civil Aviation Authority, for taking that initiative and doing it. अहिले कति सजिलो भएको छ के That's all. हामी त viewer. होइन
VR means visually you have to look, right?
Yeah.
There's no instrument or anything like that.
Visual observation rules मा जाने के हैन no IFR instrument flying rules मा छन् के अनि हामीले sorry no VFR visual flying उसमा है अहिले VFR मा हामी गर्थ्यौं अनि VFR हेरेर IFR भन्छ नि हामीले चाहिँ इन्स्ट्रुमेन्ट फ्लाइङ रुल हैन I follow river or I follow road भन्दै के
I follow river or I follow road
भनेर के we used to do that.
How do you plan it? Okay, I really want to understand this. It's too technical. I've landed in so many different technically, like the world's dangerous airport. देखि लिएर भनौँ न तालसा जुफालहरुमा गर्दाखेरि कसै न कसैले त त्यो प्लान गर्नु पर्यो थियो नि त. Somebody had to sit down and plan that out. हामी यसरी चाहिँ we'll land here भनेर हुन्छ नि हैन.
हाम्रो सिनियर क्याप्टन्सहरु आज जतिसुकै हामी फुर्ती लडाइ भने नि उहाँहरुको इनिसिएसन नभएको भए आज हामी गर्दैन थियौं. So thank you, my seniors. I'm one of those captains. तपाईहरुलाई अझै पनि पछाडी तपाईहरुको नाम मैले बोलाउँदाखेरि नामले मात्रै बोलाउँदैन कि दाइ भन्छु कि हाम्रो क्याप्टन साहबहरु भन्छु. अहिलेको नयाँ जेनेरेसन के थाहा छ अगाडि क्याप्टन सर विजय लामा भन्छ पछि त्यो विजय लामा भन्ने. See how the arrogance is actually killing all the society that is actually was constructed. अब संरचना भत्काएर पुरानो चिज भत्काएर नयाँ सुरुवात गर्छु भन्ने सोच चाहिँ कहिले पनि हुँदैन. You need the पुरानो संरचना त्यसलाई डेभलप गरेर राम्रो बनाउने मात्र. फ्लाइङ इज द सेम थिङ, हो. हामीले भन्छौँ नि हाम्रो फ्लाइङमा those initial days were the fun days.
Of course.
Those were the challenging days. अहिले त हामी त I can tell you, नेपाल काठमाडौँको एयरपोर्ट पनि कति मजाको भइसकेको छ. खालि हामी कम्प्लेन मात्रै गर्छौँ सञ्जय. यो नेपालमा त कम्प्लेन मात्रै गर्ने क्या, गुनासो मात्रै गर्ने. गुनासो भन्दा अरू केही पनि छैन.
अचम्मको कुरा म एउटा सेयर गर्छु यही कन्भर्सेसनमा होइन. अस्ति अगेन एकदम रिमोट पार्ट अफ नेपालमा गएको थिएँ म होइन. बत्ती पुगेको छ क्या सबै ठाउँमा होइन,
बाटो पनि पुगेको छ,
सबै बाटो पुगेको छ, बत्ती पुगेको छ होइन. अनि म यसो त्यो हिँड्दा होइन त्यो बत्तीको लाइनहरू हेर्थेँ कि मैले. यस्तो ठाउँमा पनि पोल गाडेर माथि डाँडामा बत्ती पुगेको छ कि होइन. त्यो गजबको कुरा हो नि.
फ्यान्टास्टिक
होइन. एनइएले त गरेछ होइन, खतरा कुरा गर्दै हो नि. कस्तो ठाउँ
सरकारले गरेको काम चाहिँ कामै होइन, प्राइभेट सेक्टरले गरेको काम चाहिँ काम हो भन्दै कराउनु चाहिँ अलि गर त है.
अफकोर्स
सरकारले पनि काम पुऱ्याएको छ, तर सरकारले पुऱ्याउँदाखेरि कसरी पुऱ्याउँछ उहाँहरूको पनि अलिकति चाँजो बाँचो नमिलेर 2-4 कामहरू बिग्रेको हो. तर इन जेनरल विकास त भएको नि त
होइन. त्यसमा त कुनै सँगै
राष्ट्रिय विकास नभएको आज सञ्जयसँग यहाँ आएर म बोल्दैन थिएँ नि. सेन्सरसिपले त उडाइदिन्थ्यो.
We would never be able to do things that we would be able to do. Democracy पनि त हो नि त नि होइन.
For the people, of the people, by the people.
अहिले आएर एक हिसाबले सोच्दा I just wanted to get your opinion on this होइन. There are tons of new airports opening up होइन. What do you think of all that?
Good. They should. Why not?
The new one, the controversial too, जहाँ चाहिँ we have to cut down so many different trees.
That they'll have to really work.
Yeah.
That they'll have to relocate. अब त्यो त्यहाँ वन फडारी भयो भने त्यही वनको छेउछाउमा हुन्छ कि कहाँ लगेर चाहिँ त्यो पुरा गर्नु पऱ्यो नि. कतिवटा देशमा त आइस्टिलमा त्यस्तो वनको फडारी हुने बेलामा त्यहाँ जति लाख रुख काटिन्छ नि त्यति नै अर्को ठाउँमा पहिल्यै रोपिसकेको हुन्छ क्या. 20 वर्ष पहिल्यै रोपेर यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले गरेका छौँ भने त्यहाँ काट्छ क्या. त्यहाँ हामीले गरेका छौँ यहाँ त फेरि काठको कुरा आउँछ.
भुस चोकर त्यस्तो कुरा आउँछ है. अरे यार यहाँ यसो सोच्दाखेरि होइन. अफकोर्स कमिङ ब्याक टु आवर कन्भर्सेसन होइन, नबनेको त छैन नि, बनिरहेछ नि. But it's just taking.
कुलचन्द्र गौतम भने तपाईँले नाम सुन्नुभएको छ है, पहिला युएनको सेकेन्ड नेपाली.
प्लिज
उहाँले एउटा भन्नुभएको थियो कि एउटा नेपालमा जहिले पनि विकास छैन पोस्ट डेमोक्रेसी भनेर सबले हल्ला गर्छन्, तर त्यो गलत हो. किनकि पोस्ट डेमोक्रेसी नेपालमा विकास भएको हो. प्रजातन्त्रको पुनर्बहाली पछि विकास भएको छ. कसरी विकास भयो भन्दा हो यसमा चाहिँ प्रश्न चिन्ह लाग्छ. त्यो भनेको 2 पाइला हामी लिएर अगाडि बढेका छौँ, तर कुनै कारणवश फेरि 1 पाइला पछाडि सरेका छौँ. हामीले के देखेका छौँ भन्दाखेरि अगाडि बढेको 2 पाइला हामीले देखेनौँ, तर पछाडि सरेको 1 पाइला देख्दाखेरि हामी विकासमा ठप्पै भयौँ, हामी खत्तम भयौँ भन्ने मात्रै. अफ द पिपल, बाई द पिपल, फर द पिपल हामी भन्छौँ. सी आई लभ दिस जेन्टलम्यान, सच अ प्राइड. हाम्रो देशको प्राइडहरू सान्दुक रुइट, प्राइड. महावीर पनि डक्टर सान्दुक रुइट, डक्टर महावीर पनि प्राइड. लुक वेयर आर दे नाउ होइन. डक्टर भगवान कोइराला अनदर प्राइड. लुक दे आर लिभिङ लेजेन्ड्सहरू के
होइन. नो डाउट अन द्याट होइन. प्रोग्रेसको
कुलमान घिसिङ
अफ कोर्स
गुड म्यानेजर, फ्यान्टास्टिक म्यानेजर.
The guy who took us जसले जति जे भने पनि होइन, I've said this before in this podcast as well, SLC मैनबत्तीमा दिएको मैले होइन. अहिले आएर तिहार इज राइट अराउन्ड द कर्नर होइन. र माथि गएर एक्जाम्पल दिन्छु, स्वयम्भू माथि कहिले काहीँ हुन्छ नि होइन, तिहारको दिनमा होइन, एक दिन पछि गए पनि हुन्छ होइन. माथि गएर त्यो 6 बजे हेर्दाखेरि नि जब त्यो बत्ती देखिन्छ नि काठमाडौँभरि होइन, त्यो यत्तिकै आउँदैन थियो.
तपाईँले के देख्नु भएको छ जुन मैले देखेँ लोड सेडिङमा, म त लिटरली आई युज्ड टु क्राई. बोइङबाट फ्लाइटमा आउँदा राति छु त मैले विदेशी पाइलटले दिस इज इट्स लाइक अ वाट होल इज दिस, इट्स अ डार्क होल वे कमिङ इन भन्थ्यो. खालि एयरपोर्टको टिटिक मात्रै देख्थ्यो कि अन्धकारमा
के पनि थिएन है?
अन्धकारमा छिरेर एउटा एयरपोर्ट मात्रै ल्याएर ल्यान्ड गर्नु एयरपोर्ट पनि त्यतिखेर अहिले जस्तो कहाँ थियो र सेन्ट्रल लाइट पनि थिएन के पनि थिएन कि हो अहिले आइसकेपछि के थाहा छ मैले कुलमानलाई सधैँ नमस्ते गर्छु है कुलमान सर तपाईँलाई फेरि पनि आज नमस्ते गर्छु आई हेभ अलवेज बाउ डाउन सेङ यु नो नाउ वान आई कम अब त म नेपालको राति कुनै ठाउँमा पनि भागमा यसो छिर्दा यो हेटौडा हो है यो विराटनगर हो यो भैरवा हो यो पोखरा हो यो काठमाडौँ हो यो वीरगन्ज हो यहाँ हामी भन्न सक्छौँ बिकज अफ द लाइट्स अदरवाइज इट वाज नथिङ बट डार्कनेस
Imagine, we're sitting here and we're talking about having no lights in our country at all.
अनि मैले
for a decade.
हैन मैले डेकेड्स अनि फेरि मैले जहाँ पनि जान्थेँ कि अनि मलाई सबले प्रश्न तपाईँलाई यो विदेशबाट तपाईँ के चाहिँ चाहनु त मैले के थाहा छ ए भगवान् त्यतिखेर मैले चोर्न पाएको भए त यहाँबाट लाइट चोरेर लान्थेँ
मैले भने त म त्यो न्युयोर्कको त्यो टाइम स्क्वायर भन्ने मान्छे चाहिँ होइन अनि मैले यसो हेरेँ कि त्यो टाइम स्क्वायर होइन त्यहाँ कति बत्ती छ यो पनि टाइम स्क्वायर कति बत्ती अनि यसो सोचेँ कि त्यतिखेर त्यो ब्याक इन द डे होइन यो सबैलाई यो सबै बत्ती एकछिन निभायो भने त काठमाडौँ त हुन्छ नि एक दिनको लागि पुरै बल्छ होला
त्यस्तो के सी हामी विकास गरेका छौँ कि
अफकोर्स
we cannot go away, stay without political parties also. Political agenda लिएर बढेका नेताहरू सबै चोर र ढाका होइनन् के यु क्यानट जेनरलाइज इट के राम्राहरू पनि छन् तर राम्राहरूले ठाउँ नपाएको बात हो क्या
भ्रष्टाचारको कुरामा पनि त ठुलो अहिले समस्या छ नि
एभ्रिबडी इज पावर हङ्ग्री एभ्रिबडी इज वेल्थ हङ्ग्री यो त अहिले यो आजको भोलि नै धनी बन्ने नै त्यस कारण मैले त अस्तिदेखि भन्छु यो पोलिटिक्समा लाग्ने पनि पोलिटिक्सलाई सामाजिक सेवा भन्नु छोडिदिउँ यसलाई व्यवसाय नै भनौँ अब किनकि ती पोलिटिकल लिडर्सहरूको पनि अर्को सेटब्याक्स हेर्नुहोस् न उनीहरू भोट माग्नु जानुपर्छ अनि भोटको लागि पनि नखुवाइकन आउँदैन भोटहरू होइन अनि त्यो मात्रै होइन फेरि यिनीहरू जितिसकेपछि आएपछि सांसदहरू भइसकेपछि घरमा उनीहरू आउँछन् आएपछि उहाँलाई खुवाउनु पऱ्यो अनि त्यो पैसाले कहाँ पुग्छ somebody has to support now if you support me on doing something back of my mind I will always say I'll have to support you है तर सञ्जयले राइट कुरा गरेछ रङ कुरा गरेछ मसँग खोदालिरहने टाइम पनि हुँदैन कि I'll be so busy So I'm not advocating for political leaders उनीहरूले यस्तो गरेको ठिक हो भनेको होइन कि तर सिस्टमलाई नै अब बदल्ने टाइम आयो कि यसलाई सामाजिक सेवा होइन कि यसलाई चाहिँ व्यवसाय नै भनौँ न पोलिटिकल स्कुलै खोलौँ त्यहाँबाट नै पक्का मन्त्री बन्नेदेखि लिएर आए अर्को देश विकास हुने तरिका के भन्दाखेरि यो ठाउँ ठाउँबाट उठेका सांसदहरूले दे सुड रिमेन ओन्ली एज ल मेकर्स ल मेकर मात्रै भएर बस्ने हो के तर मन्त्रीहरू जुन पोस्टमा आएर खेल्छ नि होइन उनीहरू भनेको चाहिँ कुनै प्रोफेसनल्सहरूलाई नै ल्याउने त्यो ल मेकरको पेरिफेरीभित्र राखेर चाहिँ उनीहरूलाई काम गराउने जस्तै अब जहाजको कुरामा एभिएसनको कुरामा गाउँबाट जितेर आएको मन्त्रीले एभिएसनको बारेमा पढ्नु त लाग्छ नि त तर विजय लामाले पढेको त आज 35 वर्ष भयो नि त कुनै कम्पेरिजन हुन्छ यो पडकास्टको बारेमा अब मैले सुरु गर्नु खोजिरहेको छु अब एकैचोटि म तपाईँले जस्तो सक्दैन नि यु हेभ बिन इन दिस यु हेभ बिन इन रेडियो फर सच अ लङ टाइम यु नो इट आफ्नो एरिया हुन्छ कि यु हेभ टु सिक्योर दोज एरियाज विकासको मूल फुटाउने भनेको यसरी मात्रै हो ल मेकर्सहरू आफ्नै कन्स्टिट्युन्सीमा बसेर त्यहाँ के कमी छ त्यसलाई नै खचार्ने कराउने चिथर्ने कोतर्ने गरेर बनाउने हो कि काठमाडौँ न कि काठमाडौँमा आएर मन्त्री भएर गरेर यसो हिँड्ने त्यो काम छैन यसरी विकास हुँदैन
Future ke ta what do you think is going to be the future?
Fantastic future we have. Nepal has a fantastic future. Kasari hundaina? We have two burning nations in terms of economy, in terms of industrial development. India and China. They are the leading nations in the world at the moment.
Of course.
That's a fire of development, okay? When these two fires are so big, how come we are not even lukewarm? In between. तपाईँ दुईटा आगोको बिचमा त तातिनु त पर्यो नि हामीले हेरिरहेको टुरिज्म पनि के नेपालले खाली हो विदेश वी डोन्ट निड ब्याकप्याकर्स ट्रस्ट मी हामीलाई हाम्रो छिमेकी मुलुकका हगि यहाँ ल्याइदिने हो भने नि हामीले we cannot even hold. They are also looking for a place to go and change. You go to Bhutan, how they have done it.
Yeah.
See, it's only about idea. Talking about 2020, hey, what the hell is 2020 when tourism year? Do it here. Internal tourism को लागि के छ आज म यसबाट नि भन्छु नि I've been taking so many well-to-do families Dubai fly Dubai has so created again everybody किन थाहा छ oh after COVID everybody is going there I want to have fun they want to go free न हाम्रो पनि त यहाँ त अब त कोभिड त नियर अबाउट फ्री जस्तो भइसक्यो नि त त्यो विदेशमा गएर खर्च गर्ने पैसा हाम्रो इन्टरनल टुरिज्ममा खर्च गर्दै हाम्रो नेपालीले कति राम्रो हुन्थ्यो होला हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्री हाम्रो नेपालीहरूले हाम्रो नेपाली सिनेमा हेर्दैको गुड ब्याड अग्ली हेर्दैको भए त्यहाँ पैसा कमाउने बाटो बनाइदियो भोलि त राम्रो सिनेमा बन्थ्यो होला नि त हाम्रो नेपालीले पडकास्ट सञ्जय गुप्ताको मात्रै हेरेर होइन पुरा लाइक्सहरू दिएर मिलियन दिएको भए त्यो युट्युबमा सञ्जयले योभन्दा भयङ्कर अझै गर्थ्यो होला नि त हाम्रो मात्रै गीत सुनिदिएको भए आज नेपाली गीतहरूको कहाँ पुग्थ्यो छैन वी डोन्ट ह्याभ ओनरसिप Look at this. This is Nepali brand. This is Nepali brand. I wear Nepali brands as much as I can do because I'm trying. अहिले त जसले पनि मलाई चिनेको भन्नाले नेपाली लाउँछु म नेपाली मास्कहरू पनि लाउँछु लासानु they're making it here. Everybody is Mishu's गर्को look they're making good maskहरू पनि we are doing so you have to be there to promote personally मुखले मात्रै भनेर हुँदैन के विकास ल्याउने कसैले पनि हैन सरकारको काम मात्र हैन विकास ल्याउनलाई विकास सरकारले मात्रै ल्याउँदैन नि सञ्जयले पडकास्ट चलाएको विकास हो नि हो घरैमा बसेर सुतेर युट्युब हेरेर आफै गर्नु पनि त सक्छ तपाईलाई यो मात्रै गर्नुपर्छ कहाँ लेखेको छैन नि यु हेभ अ जब यु आर डुइङ सो वेल but you are going out of your comfort zone to create another comfortable zone so that people are here to meet and talk to people like that. Look, I'm talking so freely, openly. There's nothing constricted here. If you had come with questions and answer, I would answer accordingly.
Of course.
You are letting me flow. Yeah. Go with the flow.
Of course. That is the most important thing. Especially to young people, you have a humongous base. It took you years to create that base.
It took me 40 years to become Vijay Lama. So they cannot become something overnight. They can become a viral person, but that viral will go down like anything.
So, what are the positive... Again, you're a very positive person. You put in a lot of positive impact. After a certain time, aviation... when do you retire, by the way? How long...
Mero March सम्म 58 होइन तर
58 सम्म मात्र
57 but up to 65 we can fly.
Around the world?
Around the world.
65 is the age.
58 is our limit in the airline. The 65 is Civil Aviation Authority ले दिएको हाम्रो यहाँ नेपालले बाहिर पनि 65 छ. I believe some of the places they already have 68 जस्तो लाग्छ. So why not? मैले त के भन्छु मलाई you have to be fit. ए बाबा राष्ट्रको प्रधानमन्त्री र 80 वर्षको 75 वर्षको प्रधानमन्त्री बनेर चाहिँ देश हाँक्नु हुने हामीहरू स्वतः एकदम स्फूर्तिका साथ फिट भएर हामीले सिकेको ज्ञानहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले एनहान्स गर्दै लगेर किन नपाउने?
Of course.
हरेक अब त नेपाल सरकारले पनि निजामती कर्मचारीको त्यो स्प्यान छ नि हैन बढाइदिनु पर्यो 55 हो उहाँहरुको त निजामतीको त अझै मेरो विचारमा त्यहाँबाट बढाउनु पर्यो नि 65 बनाइदिनु न पिपल आर फिट दिस पहिले जस्तो छैन नि मोर्टालिटी रेट हेज चेन्ज नाउ
Mortality rate has definitely changed. कति थियो अस्ति हामीले हेरेर थियो नि हैन what was the rate अस्ति हामीले बसेर हेरेर थियो हैन so अहिले आएर हेर्दाखेरि alright what so of course you have a humongous space you definitely have future plans as well and what are you going to do down the road? What have you thought?
I'm just doing what I'm doing just now.
Yeah.
Creating a base again re-solidifying my base to reach out to the younger generation. I believe in you all. This nation is nothing without the younger generation. See, the older generation, they'll have to start, not retiring, they'll have to start taking a step backward. Every champion has to start bowing down, okay? They have to bow down.
Of course.
They come out. Nobody is invincible.
Immortality the
China. So they have to come out to experience. My experience, I want to guide people like you all. I want to guide all the younger generation to our newer range. मैले अघि तपाईहरुले भन्नेले नि पाइलट बन्नुलाई तपाईहरु आमा बाउको पैसा नचलाउनुस् बैंकको चलाउनुस् loneliness, bankमा आमा बाउले राखिदिनुहुन्छ राखेपछि then come back and pay back. There's a pride in being what you are. Our self-respect is one of the biggest things that is lacking in our country. Okay?
Elaborate, please.
You have to start respecting for who you are, what you are. Don't say, I cannot do it. Oh, I need something to fall back on. What do you need to fall back on? You want to fall forward, man, and climb back again. I don't believe in following the rich and successful people. I only like to listen to their stories. Because behind that success also, there's a lot of failures. And I follow all those failed people. You know why? I want to know exactly where they failed. My flying career is based on that. The whole day starts. I have a flight tonight.
Yeah.
You know what I start? Belki flight janu bhanda agadi 1.5 hour I go through my iPad. I have all my documents there, manuals, Jepsons, Fly Smart, it's all on fingertip. I go engine fuel ko kasari herne ke. So my mind is always saying, la मैले taxi start गर्दा गर्दै engine पड्क्यो भने के गर्ने, taxi गर्दा गर्दै पागल फुस्क्यो भने के गर्ने, टेक अफ गर्दा गर्दै एउटा engine महँगो झर्यो भने के गर्ने, माथि जहाजमा आगो लाग्यो भने म के गर्ने, उडा उड्दै कोही मान्छे इन्क्यापेसिटी भएर मेरो को-पाइलट खुत्रुकै भयो, म के अनि म खुत्रुकै भयो भने मेरो को-पाइलटले के गर्छ. These are all negative things that we think. के
The worst things.
The worst things. And when you think all those
prepare
negative
for the
things,
worst, yeah.
You prepare for the worst, and that's a positive thing also. Then you have to negative things, and you want only sympathy.
मैले अस्ति एक थोक लेखेको थिएँ. I want to share this. अस्ति I had written something on my notes, and I just want to share this right away. त्यो हामीले अघि नै conversation गर्दाखेरि नै it was अस्ति भर्खरै त्यो एउटा conversation भएको थियो. Succeeding is a necessity, not just an option. Yeah?
No.
It is a necessity because you have to think that you are going to be successful, right? And then it's going to happen.
I started with that. Remember, mind is a very powerful tool.
Of course it is.
It can make you or break you.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
You are what you think you are, not what others think you are.
How old is Dad right now?
94. You want to bring that topic? Parenting your parents and looking after it.
At 90, of course, I have a family member who is 90. At 90, they turn into children.
He's not exactly a child, but I think the dementia is also setting in now. He keeps short-term memories, time and off, he loses that. He's been a naughty man. Naughty boy. Boy, he's a mate boleko 2-3 दिन बोले आथे ना. He runs away.
Yeah.
Tennis. I respect him for that. But sometimes, I have to protect him because of this COVID and infection and all. I've really curtailed him from moving out.
Yeah.
Now that he'll just go to the tennis court. He's a father of tennis in Nepal. He's given so much. Early tennis tournaments, that is passion, the love he carries for tennis. Sometimes I feel bad stopping him, but then I don't want him to go out to all these tennis courts. Ahileको associationको मान्छेहरु, अहिलेको ती मान्छेहरु, they don't even know where it started. My father did magic to tennis in Nepal. If tennis is today big, that's why my brother, younger brother Sujay, and his wife, along with his son, he's playing juniors circuits around the ITF, International Tennis Federation. He's a very good guy, Sid Lama. They're coming here to play ITF tournaments in Pokhara, November 21st. You should call them and have a nice iPod here. Podcast also. It'll be really nice.
Definitely. I know. For me, sports is very big. You, what all sports did you play back in the day?
I was in martial arts.
Yeah, you were ripped. You got
ripped.
Yeah.
8 packs, not 6 packs. Normally people talk about 6 packs, right? Slightly below your underwear, your dollar.
Find this photo. There's a photo of Vijay sir showing off his guns.
No, actually that I still remember. I used to work out at Jathama.
कहाँ हो यो?
बिहाम मन्दिर जस त्यो होटल येलो पगोडाबाट भित्र छ
अझै छ नि हैन छ फर्स्ट वान एन्ड द ओल्डेस्ट वान हो
धर्म सिरीहरु त्यबाट हुँदै थिएन आई युज्ड टु वर्क आउट देयर हैन म त फिटनेस हो नि त अनि त्यो चाहिँ साथीहरुले सबले दिलीप भन्ने आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर हिज नेम आई डोन्ट नो वेयर हिज के ए विजय फोटो खिच्नु भने मैले न खिच्नु न खिच्नु ल म भोलि क्यामेरा लाउँछ नि सो आई गट ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट क्यामेरा के अब त्यतिकै कलर त पाउँदैन थियो चट्ट लगायो ब्ल्याक एन्ड व्हाइट चा के भरि निकाल्ने बेला त आमा इभन आई वाज सक टु सी माई ओन बडी यस्तो गरेको होइन बट माइन्ड वाज अलवेज
कपाल लामो होइन
कपाल लामो
हाउ वाज काठमाडौँ ब्याक देन त्यतिखेर कस्तो थियो काठमाडौँ
ब्युटिफुल मलाई दुःख लाग्छ अहिले के कहिलेकाहीँ किनभने अनप्लान्ड वेमा बढ्यो
त्यतिखेर प्लान थियो
त्यतिखेर त मिनिमममा कति राम्रो थियो कि न्यु रोडमा हामीले गाडी बिच सेन्ट्रल लाइनमा पार्क गर्थ्यो कि
ए हो र
गाडी
त्यतिखेर थिएन
500 सीसीको मोटरबाइक मेरो साथीको मैले पनि मेरो पनि थियो होइन
500 सीसीको
500 सीसीको यामा थियो कि होइन गडर चलाउँदाखेरि दरमार्गदेखिको भद्रकालीसम्म हान्दाखेरि 120 किलोमिटरको स्पिड हान्थ्यौँ हामी क्यान इमेजिन त्यो पद्मकन्या कलेजको अगाडि गडुडुडुडुडु गर्दा 60 त केही पनि होइन 80-90 को स्पिडमा हामी हान्थ्यौँ कि सो क्लिन इन्भाइरोमेन्ट यो त पोस्ट पिपल वर होइन काठमाडौँ एकदम कन्स्ट्रिक्टेड भएर
Of course, we know why. People that you've flown, I definitely want to talk about this. As people that you've flown, हुन्छ नि like आफू हुन्छ नि होइन क्याप्टन जेनरली होइन क्याप्टन हो पाएर when you walk in, you know को छ आज जहाजमा भनेर यसो हेर्दाखेरि थाहा हुन्छ नि त किनभने हामी पनि जहाजमा बस्दाखेरि when captain comes and says oh how are you भन्दाखेरि हुन्छ it feels nice के थाहा हुन्छ कि त्यो 2 धर्को 3 धर्को 4 धर्को होइन कसले चाहिँ भनिरहेछ oh how are you wow yeah good to see you भन्दाखेरि it feels nice के हुन्छ नि होइन even when you're flying anybody that you've flown with that you've sat down and you're like okay all right I've got so and so person today भन्दाखेरि हुन्छ नि
as a pilot
के
oh for me everybody is so important you know I'm the only one in the entire universe hola captain who is out greeting incoming passenger and outgoing passenger thanking them also in between मलाई यसो टोइलेट जानु पर्यो भने say are you okay how are you भन्नु I converse with them I am connected with my passenger you can ask anybody and when I come out they like to take selfie and I oblige them no problem because this is one thing I've earned म यहाँको सेलिब्रिटीदेखि लिएर म सबैलाई यही अनुरोध गर्छु कि हामीले कमाएको दर्शक भनेको कलाकारको शान हो मान हो इज्जत हो र विभूषण हो दर्शक एउटा दर्शकले होइन दिएको माया नै हाम्रो लागि सबैभन्दा ठुलो विभूषण हुन्छ बुझ्नुभयो होइन तपाईँले जस्तै हामी डेमोक्रेसीको नर्म्स छ नि फर द पिपल अफ द पिपल बाई द पिपल भनेर यो फर द अडियन्स बाई द अडियन्स अफ द अडियन्स अनि मैले पाएको त म एउटा विमान चालक मात्रै भएको सायद त्यो पाउँदिनँ थियो होला म त एउटा पब्लिक फिगर भएको हुनाले पनि पिपल नो मी दे कनेक्ट विथ मी दे कम हिजोकै कुरा पनि ल्यान्ड गरेर आइसकेपछि लाइन सर प्लिज यता आइदिनुहोस् न लाइनमा थियो कि आइसक्यो सरको बाउले त्यो चना खाएको मैले हेरेको सर यस्तो छ मलाई त आज कहाँ के मैले केही मलाई भगवान छ भनेर नभन्नु ल म तपाईँ जस्तो आउनुहोस् फोटो खिच्नु फोटो हतालेर टुक मी 5-10 minutes I say okay take it easy I give time to them.
Have you gone and taken selfies with somebody?
I have. No, have I?
Yeah, have you?
No.
Is there anybody specific that you met or something like that?
No, the only person that I took autograph was of Naomi Uemura. You have to check this out. Okay? One of the greatest.
Naomi Uemura.
I think
Naomi Uemura.
He came to North Point when I was in school. A Japanese guy, greatest adventurer of the world. He did Arctic, Antarctic, Mount Everest, 7 summits, everything. And he related his story. He came for that story session. He could not speak English. So he was just broken English with...
What's his name again?
Naomi Uemura, I think.
Naomi Uemura. He's a mountaineer. Adventurer.
And then... I don't know if you can find him. Yeah, I want to find that also, you know. And then this is one thing.
Is this the guy?
I don't know. Naomi. You have to find out Naomi Uemura. I think so.
Naomi Uemura adventure.
He was a Japanese guy.
Yeah, Japanese.
Yeah, could be. He's the only guy from whom I've taken autograph. This is my cousin. You know what I said? If he can be so good at what he's doing, I got inspired that time. You know. I definitely can become something in life. But I don't know, 1978 ma तय गरेको मान्छे म I was in class 8 that time. And North Point, Darjeeling. And then to here, look at my journey.
It's been a long ride from the tin boost to
तिनको बुझ्दाखेरि
to coming so far. I know you made an impact in a lot of people's lives, and I'm 100% sure that you're gonna continue with that for
I
the
will.
rest of your life.
No, I will work.
Till the
I
time
want
you
to,
hit
I want to
96.
die working only. No?
I wish we could do that. मलाई चाहिँ के लाग्छ भने हैन, I want to sit down and talk to people. I've realized what I'm good
This
at.
is what. Yeah, this is your forte.
This is what I'm good at. I'm not gonna try to do anything else that's gonna be as extravagant. That's gonna go ahead and take my time. होइन किनभने I don't. I believe the older you get, the more you realize that you have limited time in this world.
Look at me. I'm running around everything. But I'm not scared. The only thing that scares me ever in life is not death. People ask me. Death is inevitable. The day you are born, you are
Definitely gonna
destined to die.
Definitely.
But the kind of death is the scary part. What kind of death are you going to have is a scary part in life. People don't realize this. मर्नसँग डर छैन केही मलाई, तर कस्तो मरण भन्ने. That is why discipline गर्नुपर्छ. And I look at my father now, it's for him, it's so difficult to let go. Let go गर्नु नै गाह्रो जिन्दगीमा. त्यस कारण त आध्यात्मिकमा त्यसमा त्यो you have to go into that. अनि पूजा पाठ गर्ने भनेको त्यो हो कि हामीलाई. यसै मेडिटेट गर्ने भनेको पूजा पाठ गर्ने. तर जे गर्नुहुन्छ त्यसमा तपाईँले आफूलाई लगनशीलताका साथ लगाउने भनेदेखि that is the best thing that you are doing in life. And stop talking about others. Okay? Why do you want to spend time talking about others and things negatively? Anything negative is too long.
Of course.
Positive is always short.
Very short. Very, very short. There's no doubt on that. Even we touched bases on this topic, and I want to talk about this for a bit. You talked about death, right? You're doing a job which is so challenging.
It is.
And it is one of the most challenging jobs in the world where things can go wrong.
It can.
Things can go wrong at
But
any
we are
any
trained
second.
to cope that.
Yeah.
That is why pilots are pilots.
Yeah.
With due respect to any other profession, I say pilots are pilots because this is one area where you have to be a good human being, a good commander, a good meteorologist. You understand weather, a sound enough guy in medical aviation medicine, good leader, you lead, a good communicator. And every 6 months we do our refreshers. Every year we do our medical. Everything is based on studies, information, knowledge. We are not information overloaded. We are information loaded, and we do it.
Sometimes you make mistakes. Like recently, we saw one of the incidents. Sometimes mistakes happen, right?
What mistakes are not big. If you don't err, then you're not a human being. But that mistakes should not lead into fatalities. Or help people make it big. Recent incident को कुरा भने एक टाइममा देवता जस्तो पुरा देव देवता भनेर त्यो मान्छेले कमेन्ट हानिरहेको हुन्छ, अर्को त बर्बाद रहेछ भन्ने गाली गर्छ. Social media is playing a big role in crafting one's mind. Okay? तर not everybody can take like me, perhaps you also. I take criticism very lightly, but I take it very deeply. If they are doing the right critic, I take it and mend my ways. If they are just bluffing, just to become famous through those criticism, then I don't give a hoot.
You have to. One thing that I've learned is you have to block out negative energy.
Totally.
Again, like I said, we all have limited time in this world. Maybe we have 70 seasons. How many dasains are we going to celebrate? We're going to celebrate maybe 70, 80 dasains in our lifetime. I would love to celebrate that with my family.
चङ्गा उडाउनु भयो तपाईले?
उडाए नि, मज्जाले उडाए नि.
मैले त उडाउनै पाएन.
यसपालि भएन?
म त चङ्गा उडाउने मान्छे हो. माजा लाउनु भएको छ तपाईले?
Of course छ नि.
के लाउनुहुन्छ?
मज्जाले
तपाईँ चिप्लिकेर लाउनु भयो होला. कस्तो रङ. थिन आरोट लाउनु भयो?
मज्जाको के थाहा छ?
के लाउनु भयो? थिन आरोट?
भात निकालेर हैन, जब जङ्गा च्यातिन्छ नि, त्यो भातले त्यो के भन्छ, माड भन्छ हैन, त्यसले टास्ने. त्यो हो के?
त्यो हैन, मजा त तपाईले माजा लाउँदाखेरि सिसा राख्नु भयो?
अफकोर्स
कुन आफै बनाउनु हो कि सिसा के किनेर ल्याएको
होइन
हामी
फुटाउने
त आफै ल्याउँथेन
ग्राइन्ड गर्ने
ग्राइन्ड गरेर राखेर अनि हात काट्थ्यो हाम्रो
सबसे वर्स्ट कुरा के गरे दाइ थाहा छ मैले त्यो आमाले त्यो के अरे अचार पिन्नेमा एकचोटि ग्राइन्ड गर्दा चाहिँ कम गाली खाएको थिएँ
अनि
मैले
गुरगुर
सिलौटामा पिन्नेको एकचोटि
So, मलाई त all these things, Sanjay, these are all part of life. And somebody's writing a book on me also, and I said like,
वाट्स द बुक कल्ड चन्द्र
it's
सूर्य
gonna
नै
be
क्या
चन्द्र सूर्य नै हुन्छ भाग 1 भाग 2 भाग 3 हुन्छ किनभने भाग 1 मा इट्स गोइङ टु बी टोटली माई प्रोफेसनल कुरा होइन मेरो कलाकारितादेखि लिएर गाउनेदेखि लिएर सारा चिजहरू त्यसमा हुन्छ होइन उडान नत्र त ग्रन्थ यत्रो भन्छ कि कति कभर गर्ने हजारौँ पेज त पढ्दैन नि सो इट्स गोइङ टु बी ई बुक अल्सो होइन
अफ कोर्स
अनि another part is my life.
Audio book host so that I can listen to it as well. You have to narrate it.
I will narrate myself. टिकट लेखिसकेपछि त अनि फेरि अर्को पार्ट चाहिँ यसको बी मेरो जीवनी नै टोटली आउँछ यसको बी नाइस इन्ट्रेस्टिङ होइन
So 3 books.
या 3 बुक्स कलाकारिताको एउटा हुन्छ मेरो प्रोफेसनलिजमको एउटा हुन्छ होइन
When are you releasing it?
No, they are still working. Suresh Pranjali, we've been discussing this, putting in a lot of things there, Twin लेख्ने हाम्रो author हुनुहुन्छ नि भाइ. So we are working. So yeah, everything is getting interesting.
Nice.
So I just want to share my opinions, my way. Okay.
Of course.
So it's not a fiction, but that's reality. There were मैले नभनेका कुराहरू पनि त्यहाँ हुन्छ कि
all the deep stories.
नदेखाएका कुराहरू नपस्केका कुराहरू पनि त्यहाँ हुन्छ definitely. So it's part of it.
I'm excited and I'm happy to see all the other things.
People asking, and we are doing a song. Anuprastha,
The band.
Niran and I. We are doing Niran the Anuprastha. We are doing a new song called Kalyan Singhko Music Ma. Okay? Jai Chandra Surya, Nilo Akashma, Rato Chitisma, Ek Chandra, Ek Surya. That we are doing. And in the same lyrics I'm doing with the Seasons band, Sujil Sangha. But a different music again.
How many things will you do in one lifetime?
This is what I always ask. And I said, I still want to do so many things, but I know I'm limited. But whatever I've been involved in, I'll keep on doing. Look.
That's our logo right there.
Yeah, that's amazing. I love that. Chandra Surya, nothing can beat that. I'm trying to get my Chandra Surya.
A tattoo? Yeah. Do you have tattoos?
I have tattoos all over this. Akash Bhairav, this is Garud. I have Om with Surya.
So, naya tattoo the katare?
Naya tattoo, I'm going to have it right here. Jai Chandra Surya.
Good. Vijay sir, it was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you so much.
You have to come back again. All right.
I will definitely come back.
The early morning positive vibe that we got, when we started, we were like, where's my coffee? God damn it, where's my coffee? Now it's like the day is going to be really great and the day is going to be a fun day. What are your plans for today, by the way?
I'm going to Sulti now.
Yeah.
I'll work out. I have a meeting there. Come back. Then I'll go to Mero Baukuma. Take care of his needs. Then I'll rest.
Yeah. And then you're flying today?
Flight.
You have a flight today?
Yeah. I rest in a sense. I don't fully sleep the garden. So, just, resting. Just before we go.
Yeah.
This is saying, I watch one of those Sadhguru Koons. Sadhguruji. Sometimes I follow his discourses also. Om Shanti. I keep following all these discourses. They're fantastic. One has to follow. One Denzel Washington ko I was going through some of those videos and I said, rest, it's not important that you have sleep only. Okay? Sleep is not everything. Sleep, it's just part of that system. It shuts down and come out. The most important thing in life is resting. How do you rest? Take your iPads, take your laptop, take your YouTube, you take your mobile phone, chuck it away. Don't put it next to your bed. Don't touch us. Reminisce all the things that you have been doing in life.
The best couple of days of my life was recently, in the past 10 years, एक हफ्ता जस्तो अगाडि ट्रेकिङ गएको थिएँ होइन त्यतिखेर नेटवर्क थिएन क्या फोन थिएन क्या मसँग
Beautiful, no?
So beautiful. I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to do that as much as I can.
Yeah, well.
That was my rest.
Very soon, I will start cutting out on all those. And then, मान्छे रिसाए पनि खुसाए पनि थाहा छैन हप्तामा एक दिन चाहिँ I'm going to just block of him.
Just shut off, right? All right, everybody, make sure that you do not shut us off. Keep watching the podcast.
Keep watching Sanjay.
Thank you very much, Vijay. It was a pleasure. And it literally felt like we were on air.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you very much, Captain.
And look forward to seeing you again.
Definitely.
And thanks for that coaxing. No, I'm saying you persevered a lot,
Yeah.
Thank you for being there and giving me this podium, giving this place to actually express a few of my stuffs in life also,
Yeah.
It's always important. अब मान्छेले कति गाली गर्ला अङ्ग्रेजी यस्तो यो जो हेर्नुहुन्छ प्लिज गाली नगर्नुहोस् अङ्ग्रेजीमा भने यो अङ्ग्रेजीमा पनि छ नेपालीमा पनि छ किनभने मास जुन हामी अहिले रिच आउट गरिरहेको छौँ होइन त्यो मासलाई पनि हामी
Mixed mass.
Mixed mass.
All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching and let's have a great day.
Thanks,
Thank you
man.
very much. Last one. Jai Chandra Surya.
Jai Chandra Surya. Yeah, Jai Chandra Surya.
All right, everybody.
If you love what we are doing, make sure that you subscribe and turn on notifications.
This program is brought to you by Vyas Studios.